channel Aditya Rautaray I. In this video we will learn how to make party popper. To make party popper you need tape, scissor, balloon, colored paper and cardboard. Let's begin. To make party popper you need to first take the cardboard and fold it like this. After folding it like a cylinder shape, now you need to take the tape and stick it. Then cut this part. Then stick it inside also. After sticking it both the side, then take the balloon, cut this part, like this, then take the cylinder shaped cardboard, do it like this and put it like this. After doing it, take the tape and stick here. Stick it here like this. Then tie this part. After sticking the tape, it will look like this. Then take the color paper and round it like this. After doing it like a circle, then take the tape and stick it. You need to stick it like this. Guys, I have stick the tape. You need to do the same this side also. First you need to stick it like this. Guys, you have to stick upper side also same like this. Guys, now the popper is ready. Now you need to cut paper for it. Guys, after making the popper, you need to take some color papers and keep up. Then cut this in small pieces. Guys, I have cut all in small pieces. Now you need to take the popper and put inside it. Guys, I have put all in this popper. Now let's test it. Guys, it is working nicely. Let's do it one more time. Guys, let's test it one more time. Guys, it is really going too far. If you like the video, now the party popper is ready. If you like the video, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. I will meet you in next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.